to Fontaines, Dublin City. It's called "I Love You," and I was like, "What? I love you? Oh, what a corny song!" But this is very minimalist, and I don't think it's a corny song because of the music is very bleak, very minimalist, bleak. It's a lot different from Televised Mind. The song is based over E minor, G, and if you forget I wrote this song. So there's an acoustic guitar playing in the background through the whole thing. But you can do, like on the C, you could play a C major 7. Leaves it more kind of open sounding. And then the G, I definitely hear G major 7. So that would sound like. This is a minor 7. You could play that in there. C major 7. So you can mix those things in there. And like on a couple of the breakdowns, you hear the main electric guitar playing. Now this could be a B minor chord, but what it actually is part of a G major 7. So you can mix all these chords in there. You don't have to play it the same way every time, but they're playing it because it's ambiguous. It is a minor chord, but it's also a G major 7. Okay, that's my lesson for that one. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks. Bye.